Hello and welcome to the Anonymous Alerts training session for the Incident Management Administrator Web Dashboard. We will be taking the role of a school administrator, such as a principal or assistant principal, and go through the process of managing and taking action on an incident reported through the Anonymous Alerts system. Initially, school administrators will receive an Anonymous Alerts incident report through an email message, text message, or a push notification from the Anonymous Alerts Incident Management app, available on Apple and Android. So now we will head into the Anonymous Alerts dashboard to take a look at reported incidents. You would go to www.anonymousalerts.com to access our website. On the top menu bar, you can go ahead and click Client Login, which will bring you to the login page where you will input your credentials to access your Anonymous Alerts dashboard for your account. So let's go ahead and type in our credentials. After you log in, you will be taken to the home page of the Anonymous Alerts web dashboard. This is where you can manage all the incidents that have been submitted for your account. To access all of the Anonymous Alerts reports, you would scroll down and click the green button that says Access Anonymous Alerts. And now we're here at the Anonymous Alerts Incident Management Dashboard. From here, we can search for incidents using different criteria, including specific date searches, searches by incident type, the name or ID of the victim or accused, the confirmation code, persons to contact, building, submitter type, status, and more. And I can click View All to see all the incidents in the system. As you can see, a table will appear that will list all the different incidents. Some of the information that you can see here include the date and timestamp, the confirmation code, the alert type, the building, the submitter type, the status of whether it's credible and substantiated, and more. To view more details about the incident, you can click the link under Incident Message. Let's go ahead and click. Upon clicking the link, you will enter the Message Details menu. This is where you can view all the information related to the incident. Scrolling down, some of the information that you can see include the submission type, where you'll be able to tell where it came from, whether it was from the website web form or the mobile app. You can change the status, whether it's credible and substantiated, input the name or ID of the victim or accused, and see the recipient group, so you'll be able to tell which administrators in the school building received this incident. Scrolling down further, you'll be able to see the message details that the student typed in when they originally sent their report, and you'll be able to view signifiers, letting you know that if you can reply to a report and that if it's an anonymous or non-anonymous submission. Scrolling down further, you can type in notes that other school administrators will be able to see. Input your note in the text box and then click Save once you're done to save the note to this incident report. We'll go ahead and type in a quick note here, something along the lines of, "It's currently under investigation." After you save the note, you can access the Notes tab in the top menu bar to see all of the notes recorded for the incident. They'll all be included in this table here. Each note is labeled by a date and timestamp, the person who submitted the note, what their title is, and you can click here to read the note. Click back to return to the main menu. The next tab we'll look at is Reply To. This is where you can send a reply back to the student submitter. Scroll down to the text box where you can put your reply and send it. We'll type something like, "Thank you for the information, please provide more details." After completing your reply, click Reply to Sender, where it will go to the student submitter. The student submitter will receive it as an email or text message and can reply back, creating the two-way dialogue between both sides where more information can be shared. To view the dialogue that has been exchanged back and forth between the student submitter and the administrators, you can go into Message History. Scroll down to view both sides of the dialogue. Similar to notes, you'll be able to see the date and timestamp, the person who created the reply, their title, and you can click the link to view the message content. For administrators, the contact and title will be filled in with the appropriate individual's name. When it's the report submitter replying, it will have reply back in brackets and will have the title blank. That's how you know it is the report submitter. Click on the link to view the content. Click back to return to the main menu. The last tab is Forward Message. Scroll down to view the options of where you can send the incident report to. There are two ways in which you can forward an incident report to other individuals. The first way in which you can forward a report is by typing in an individual's email address in the text box and clicking forward. The second way in which you can forward an incident report is by clicking on the drop-down menu here and selecting an individual's name. Administrators that are part of the Anonymous Alert system will be listed in this drop-down menu, so you can click on a name and their email will populate in the text box, and you can forward the information right to that person. Last, you can click on the link to create a PDF report. In the PDF report, it lists all the information about the incident, including the message details that the report submitter typed in. In addition, it also includes all of the notes and replies that were sent back and forth between both sides, whether it was a student or the administrator. You can use this PDF report if you have student disciplinary hearings, meetings, etc. There are two remaining pieces in the Anonymous Alerts backend dashboard. One is data charts, where you can view statistics by incident type of how the reports were submitted. You can also click Download Reports to download an Excel spreadsheet that has all the Anonymous Alerts information. Last, we have a Help section that you can access to find helpful materials. Within the Help section, you can find a guide that teaches you the back end of the Anonymous Alert system, best practices, videos, and more. And that's very much it of the Anonymous Alerts backend dashboard system. Should you need any help, you can always contact our support team by email or phone. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for using Anonymous Alerts.